Okay, I've rolled as many as I can possibly roll before I dive into these because I can't take it any longer. I'm going to grab one of these that I finished already and has already been sitting in the fridge, so it's already hardened to its final product. You can see it's nice together. It's not messy. It's not getting on me. Let's see what the inside is like, though. Oh my gosh, it's good. And you see what that looks like? It's really dense. The texture is perfect. It's not running. It's not too thick. It didn't hurt my teeth to bite into it. The nuts really hold it all together. Really smooth. I apparently melted all the chocolate very well because these are really, really smooth. There's not a chunk of chocolate in there. And as fun as chunks of chocolate are, you don't want them in a truffle. These are great. And you know, sometimes I put fresh raspberries in the center. When I'm rolling these together, I'll grab a raspberry, roll the chocolate around it. So sometimes when I bite into one of these, there's a fresh raspberry in the center. Or pick your own favorite fruit. But these, I think they turned out just right. All right, everybody, I'm Lauren Taylor on behalf of Expert Village, and thank you so much for joining me for our truffle making, non-baking experience today. I hope you really enjoy this recipe. Again, once you get comfortable with this, feel free to play around with it. Throw in your spouse's or friend's favorite ingredient in there and really make them your own. You're really going to enjoy them. Have a great day. Thank you so much. This is Lauren from Expert Village in the Baker's Corner. Enjoy.